Okay, so now I'm going to do a P on today's trade. Wow, here got high volume. So the reason why I actually bought at this low here, like this level, I actually try to buy at the 3 o'clock when the market open. It's like now I think about it, like 3 o'clock, 10 o'clock, it's best to avoid lah. Like 11 and 4 usually is the best timing to really enter at the highest level lah. But if it run at 3, then it's run at 3 lah. But most of the time it's better to buy at 4 to 5 for futures, especially when it's deep the time, negative the time. I mean we can take a look at there, like this 4 p.m. And not really, because this is positive to negative, so this one we avoid. Yeah, this one okay. This is very negative, then deep. Then you buy. Okay, then when you deep already, then you just buy. Hey, it never go up, then you just get out of position. Okay. So is there any issue with this? That's what I think lah, but I always too scared lah. I get out at around here, and just pop up. $750 I just hold until like $950. Wow, today will be like $3,000. 200 times 400 times 3. Actually 1.2 only. Or 3,000. Okay. So I mean we can use correlation as a gauge on whether to buy or not. Now I think about it, if maybe you can try doing like Audusd USD Japan side by side with futures, so we can actually somehow see the correlation. If the usually we will use the forex market as a leading indicator for the stock market, because forex market is so much bigger. It's like trading industry versus stock market. Stock markets like just billion industry. Okay, next trade is Euro Aud USD. So as we can see that for the correlation is actually not that good, I would say. Currency strength meter, I mean. So for the currency strength meter is actually Aud is 3, USD minus 3. So it's actually in a long direction. And USD 1, Aud 7. It's more towards a long direction. And I think maybe the reason why I actually tried to sell is because I think the Nasdaq is going to crash based on Papa soon. My parents. Somehow I subconsciously follow him. Like it doesn't make sense. Okay. I subconsciously follow his words. Then that's all. So when the price came down here, then it went here. See, the moment it breaks out at like 12 o'clock here, I think could have stopped trading already. I mean, for me personally, it's best to enter maybe like after 10:30 to 11 to 12. That's just the 2 hours you can trade. Then next is the European session, maybe 3 to 5, do enter one position. Any position after like at 6, 7, actually technically you can just throw it away, just save your time, save your effort. Like this timing also, like it can work lah, but once in a while, like it can be work once in a while in Asian session, you jump like 150, 200 points, right? But that are rare occasions that you can leave it out. So there's usually 2 timing, 3 to 5. During the London opening to 2 hours after London opening, then next is the 2 hours New York opening. That's the two window that I can trade. Wow, this one really dropped. It's a whole. There's the 2 windows that I can trade. Other than that, just give it out lah. Like save time, save effort. And number 2 is recently when I trade, I'm trading too big of a volume. Like I'm trading like 3 size and 150. It's like 5 times my volume, which causes me to I think this is more like gambling instead of trading really. That's the main issue. Wow, I think dropping. I think looking good now. Mistake. Not, it is a mistake, not really. In terms of correlation, maybe you retrace here and then you can buy it, but not now. Okay. So any more issues? I think the timing wise and the position size. Position size is I play too big already. Like what consists of a good position size? It's 0.5% of my account for each trade. But now I'm like trying to double down, triple down, doing what I used to do last time. Okay, let's stop and reevaluate my training, because this position size is going to cost me a lot of issue when I keep doubling down and tripling down. Okay, so initially it was like 30 0.3 standard, then 0.6 standard. Now it become like 1.5 standard. It's like, what the fuck? Doesn't make sense. Okay, so position size you want to keep. Because I pay the next stake, then forex feels like doesn't feels really exciting. It feels too little. That's the thing I need to consider right now. So what's the actually good lot size to buy and sell? Let's think it in during our sleep.